And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 83. Let me show you how you can create a glow text effect. On the top left, we click on text, add text, and use the default by clicking on the plus sign. On the top right, text basic, you can adjust it. Let me just call that glow. By the way, if you can't see text basic, make sure that your text element is selected in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it, and then it should pop up. Scroll down and here's the glow option. Check the box and the drop down should be opened automatically. There is a pro version, so if you're using the free one, just select the second glow here. And for that you can adjust the colors, drag the circle to the top right, and then you can adjust the slider down below. Top left for the circle is always white, bottom left is always black. So if you want to have the color, go to the top right. You can adjust intensity and range. And for the Pro version, you also have an offset. So once again, if you're using the paid version, this is available to you too. If you just want to use the free one, then select the second glow right here. Keep in mind when you uncheck the box, it will not only be deselected, so you cannot see the glow anymore, it will also be reset, which is a little bit annoying. You can see that I now have a white glow again. I have to readjust this, even for intensity and range. So don't uncheck it if you don't have to, or otherwise you have to make the adjustments again. And this is how you can add a glow text effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.